welcome back for another edition, I guess you could call it, of the Stargate physics. And what we're going to be talking about this time is going to be the accuracy of any given Stargate system. Granted, this will be kind of just limited to static Stargate systems. If you want to know about dynamic Stargate systems, then I already did a video about that, already uploaded. You can check that out. But this is good information to know also, as a lot of the other wormhole technology is based on this accuracy understanding. Okay. Okay. So the accuracy between two two points in space-time, this Stargate address, is going to be dependent on a few things. First, it's going to be dependent on the distance between point A and point B. Okay, and if we are going to figure out how accurate our Stargate address can be based on the distance between A and B, we need to figure out some kind of equation that will let us know, can we make it to the target successfully? Okay, and this is what we have. Okay, when I talk about a Stargate system, I'm talking about the connection between 2 points, points A and point B. Not talking about a massive intergalactic or interplanetary or intersolar system type of gate network. This is just related to two individual gates, two individual devices. Okay, and so what we can do is, first we need to start off with understanding the basics. Okay, the distance between 2 points, point A and point B, is going to be from the center, the very, very center of the event horizon on device A, to the very center of the event horizon on device B. Okay, and obviously we have an equation that can predict how accurate we can be exactly, and it's very simple. Also, if any of you are familiar with trigonometry, this equation right here is actually is very similar to the, let's see, what do you call it? Oh, I can't think of it. It is the arc length formula. Okay, and so first of all, we need to write down the primary equation that will let us know the different fractional resolutions. I'm just going to write it above here. It's going to be E equals Q N divided. Okay, that's our primary equation right there. That's going to explain the different fractional levels of the Stargate's address. Okay, but we need to we need an accuracy equation also, and I'll just write that down here without. I'm not going to talk too much about this. Accuracy is okay. There we go. And that's our accuracy formula. Okay. Now let me explain this, some of the variables in here first. Okay. The first variable, A, obviously is going to be the level of accuracy. All right. Okay, we know R is the radius of our Stargate system. Actually, R will actually be the distance between the distance between point A and point B. Just an arbitrary distance. We have our PN. That's we already know about the 360. This is very, very important. In order for our equations to work out correctly, we need that all of the different angles of the different angles of the lines are going to be in. They cannot be larger than 360 degrees. Okay. Otherwise, we will come up with some really nonsensical answer, and it just won't work like that. Okay. Okay, so that's really all you have to worry about. Just obviously this is in degrees. Okay, and next we'll do an example on how this works.